Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Autodesk Cloud for design projects, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Autodesk Cloud for your design projects, first, ensure you have an Autodesk account. If you don't have one, visit the Autodesk website to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in to Autodesk Cloud. Upon logging in, you will see the dashboard displaying your projects and available tools. To create a new project, click on the Create New Project button. Enter a name and description for your project to make it easier to identify later. Next, choose the appropriate template based on your design needs. Once your project is created, you can begin uploading your design files. Click on the Upload button and select the files you want to add. After uploading, your files will be listed in the project dashboard. You can organize files into folders for better management. To start collaborating with team members, invite them by clicking on the Share option. Enter their email addresses and set the appropriate permissions for each member. Now, you can start collaborating by using Autodesk's tools available in the cloud. Access various design tools from the menu to enhance your project. For real-time collaboration, use the Live Collaboration feature. This allows team members to view and edit designs simultaneously. Use the commenting feature to leave feedback on specific designs. Make sure to review changes made by your team to ensure quality control. As you progress, periodically save your work to avoid losing any data. Once your project is nearing completion, utilize the Export feature to download your final designs. Choose the appropriate file format based on how you plan to use the designs. Finally, archive completed projects to keep your dashboard organized. This will make it easier to access current projects and manage your design workflows effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.